Today I'm going to take you through an exclusive tour of my financial portfolio. I've created 9 income streams, each more exciting than the last, and I'm here to share how I've harnessed the power of time, money, content creation, and subscription models to create real leverage. Whether you're a seasoned investor or you're just starting out, you're in for a treat. So let's kick things off with my lending powerhouse, Keeler Capital. This isn't your average lending firm. We specialize in finding real estate investors investing in fix and flips and rental portfolios and properties. And so imagine lending $5 million on a $10 million property and making a cool $100,000 just like that. Wait till the end and I'll walk you through the ins and outs of these lucrative deals, including interest rates and loan terms, and trust me, it's a game changer. Income stream 2 for me would be capital raising for Keeler Capital. Now this is where the magic happens. I pool funds from investors to back these loans, earning a tidy profit in the process. Picture this, lending $1 million at 12%, paying the investor 10%, and pocketing the 2% spread. That would be about $20,000 a year. Now, if that loan were to go for 3 years, we're talking about $60,000. But I only need to capital raise once. Some loans might end after a year, some loans might go for 5 years. In another video, I'll show you how the investor and I both make monthly returns as the loan is repaid back. It's a win-win. Stream 3 would be my short-term and long-term rental property portfolio. Now let's talk real estate. I own a portfolio of 8 homes, which is a mix of short-term and long-term rentals. During the Airbnb boom, these properties were cash cows, bringing in up to $12,000 a month per property. But as the market shifted, so did my strategy. Some houses did far worse as short-term rentals, so I turned those into long-term rentals. Now, as investors bring me deals across the country, I use my lending company to get an inside track on what market would be most profitable next for me to deploy capital into. And that's how my real estate portfolio continues to grow. I bring money in through my lending company, and then I go deploy it into the inside track of where the best places are to invest in America. Income stream 4, and I thought I would give you a little bit more insight, would be my long-term rentals. Now, they're a steady source of income. You don't need to worry about people coming in or out, and it's far less hassle. You get more care from the tenants because they live there long term. Take a house I bought in Scottsdale, Arizona, for example. I bought this home for $500,000, rented it for $3,600, netting me almost $1,400 after all mortgage payments and pool guys and internet and blah, blah, blah. Sure, it's less than the short-term rental would have made, making close to $12,000 a month. The consistency and lower maintenance are key here. In another video, we'll go over the stability of owning long-term rentals versus short. In some cases, they can be just as profitable. Income stream 5 would be my real estate acquisitions consulting company. Here's where I put my real estate smarts to work for others. During the Airbnb boom, I saw a real uptick in income by finding, financing, and furnishing properties for clients. I would then manage those properties. I earned hefty fees and percentages of profits during the entire process. So imagine earning $50,000 on a single deal. So the process works like this. I would find a property, I would scour the market, I would search through all my connections, and when I find a good deal, or at least I think it's a good deal, I would go ahead and underwrite that deal. If it hit a certain profitability mark, I would go ahead and move forward with making an offer. Once the offer was accepted, I would then close on the deal with my client's capital. For closing on that deal, we're something like $30,000. I would also fund that deal, so on the loan, I would make something like $15,000 within the price point that they were looking for. Obviously, loan amount would dictate how much I would earn on each loan. After finding, funding, and then furnishing that property, I would roll it up into my real estate management company, which we'll go over next. But essentially, it was a short-term real estate management company that would manage all of my properties as well as other investors' properties. And so within that property management company, I would earn something like 20% of gross, within 20% of gross of that short-term rental income. In some cases, those houses were making $100,000 a year. So I'd earn about $20,000 on every single one of those properties I would manage. Now that segues into stream number 6, my property management business. Now, again, this blends with my consulting business and kind of complements each other. Managing both my properties and those of my clients, this business has been a goldmine. At its peak, I managed about 12 properties, each bringing in significant income. And so in another video, I'll show you how I structured that management company and how you can get into real estate management as well. Now, income stream number 7 would be my company, Scale Staffing Co. Now, this company was born in the need for cost-effective labor within my real estate management company. Outsourcing to the Philippines and Argentina saved my business a bundle. I'll take you through the journey of hiring overseas workers for as little as $4 to $6 an hour. Now, again, guys, this is sometimes double and triple the minimum wage over there. So don't feel bad in paying these rates. I used outsourced workers to kind of manage the overall of my real estate portfolio. They would manage the messaging when they were short-term rentals. They would manage, fixes if properties were damaged or needed any sort of contracting work. This is globalization at its finest. And if you want to cut your human labor costs by nearly 90%, DM me directly. Now, let me introduce you to income stream number 9. This would be my program, Lenders Academy. This is a digital product and it's my latest venture. And it's all about empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs and lenders. Lenders Academy is an online course designed to teach students how to run and start their own hard money and private money real estate lending brokerage. This would be from scratch to success. Imagine this. You've always been interested in the world of real estate lending, but you don't know how to get started or where to get started. There's a lack of startup education, which is exactly why I created this program. I've distilled all of my years of experience into a comprehensive step-by-step guide. You'll learn everything from finding clients, structuring deals, managing risk, and maximizing profits on each and every deal funded. This course is packed with practical lessons, real estate case studies, marketing material, and insider tips that you won't find anywhere else. And the best part is it's all online. Lenders Academy isn't just another online course. It's a community, and as a member, you'll get access to a network of like-minded individuals where you can share experiences, ask questions, and even find potential business partners. Now let's talk about the impact. By teaching others how to create their own brokerage, I'm not just earning from the course fees. I'm also building a network of future collaborators. It's an investment on both sides, in my students' futures and in my own. So if you've ever dreamt about breaking into real estate lending, or if you're just looking for a new lucrative skill to add to your repertoire, Lenders Academy is the perfect starting point. And there you have it, guys, my complete portfolio of income streams, from lending and real estate to digital education. Each venture is a unique piece of the puzzle that makes up my financial landscape. I hope my journey inspires you to explore new avenues and create your own income streams. If you're excited to learn more about any of these ventures, especially Lenders Academy, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, where I'll go in depth on each and every one of those income streams. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm here to answer any questions you might have. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for notifications on when I drop videos. All right, guys, thanks so much.